Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is it Worth It, y'all? And today, I have zero motivation to do anything. And I've had zero motivation to do anything for a couple days now. And it's getting to me. And the front yard is suffering because of it. And I don't know about y'all, but sometimes you get in the swing of things and you're like, okay, and you kick butt and you do a really good job, and then something happens. And I don't even know what it was, but I have no desire to be in my front yard pulling weeds. And I have been that way for a solid month. Y'all, I'm pretty stubborn. And when it comes to like maintaining stuff, that's why the backyard looks so good, because that's Greg's domain and he stays on it all the time. And I don't have that type of discipline. So today we're going to give you a before and an after of the front yard, because it's bad. It's real bad. Because I haven't done anything to that front yard in a long time. So here we go, even though I don't even want to. But I know by the end of it, I'm going to be so happy that I did it. So here's some foreshadowing. This is so great. I'm so glad that we did this. But right now, I have no desire. All right, stick around. Here we go. Okay, y'all. We are going to start at the front door. This is my front door. And I'm fortunate because God's my next door neighbor. Ain't that church pretty? I get to look at that every day I come out my front door. So we're going to start. All of these green stalks need deadheaded bad. My strawberry patch has overgrown completely. Like, we need to cut this back so far. It's ridiculous. I'm not growing anything. I hadn't planted nothing in these pots, and look at them. All right, y'all. This side's even worse, okay? Look at there's supposed to be bricks over there, but they're just covered in weeds. Everything is over super grown. Our edge is gone again. The rhubarb needs trimmed. I mean, it's just a mess. Now, can we cultivate some of these herbs and get them and dry them? Oh yeah, we're gonna take care of some of that. Look at all this. This is bananas. When we started, there's a line right here. That's where the strawberry patch started, y'all. Right here. And it's all the way over there. So, basically we just need to trim everything. Literally everything. Look at it. Look at all the weeds. So this is your before I start chopping on everything. Look at that. Greg had that so nice and pretty, and now it's grown over again. So, all right. We're gonna turn this mess into something pretty. Might take us all day, but we'll get her done. All right, y'all, we finally did it. That only took a couple days because It just gets hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter. But we got it done. Porch is still looking good. Biggest accomplishment, I think, that dresses this whole thing up is this walk path is finally clear again. Meaning we got all the grass out of the cracks. Still need to spray it with some vinegar, but it's much better. We've cleaned up and cut back a lot of the foliage in most of the herbs. Another big one is we cleared up this fence line right here. It looks much better. And then if you look down along here, we've cleared up. Of course, I'm filming when the sun's in the wrong spot, but hopefully you can see this. But we've cleared up a lot. Got some of the grass out. All these plants have filled in tremendously. We have yet to tackle, and you can see the grass poking out, but we're not going to tackle the strawberries until we're ready to like do a massive reduction over here. So we cleaned up in and around the front, around the sides, but this strawberry patch is starting to get out of control, and it's because we can't even get in there anymore. And so what we're going to do is in the fall, we'll just cull this back, and while we're at it, we'll pull the grass. Back there needs weeded still, but it's just stinking hot, so we're going to wait for another cool day and get that finished. So all right, y'all, that's what we got. Thank you so much for watching this front yard update. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next video, bye, y'all.